While working on a project, this plastic part broke, but it was tightened by hand, and it stopped the whole installation crew. So we had to find a replacement for it real fast. And of course we were a 3-hour drive away from home. So I decided to try something new and use Google Lens to identify the part and also find a supplier for it locally as well. Let me show you how I did it. So the first step is to take a photo of the part, and then on your laptop you can drag it into your browser. I'm using Google Chrome as my browser because there you can customize your toolbar and you can toggle on search with Google Lens. So here you can see it's toggled on. So I have here my image and I'll click on the icon of Google Lens, and then I can drag my mouse and select an area what then Google Lens will search with AI. And over here there's some written suggestions, and if we look at products, it identified that it is an IBC adapter from PP, and I find it already pretty impressive that it identified that, because it's broken and there's another PVC part screwed into the adapter as well. Here there's a Dutch supplier where I'm based, so I can straight away use that information, the IBC adapter PP, and then I know it's also a 2.5-inch female thread what's inside the adapter, and I can use that information to research further. So add that to Google and see which suppliers are in my neighborhood. So it's not straight away flawless, but I do find it impressive that it gives you at least a good description to research, to be able to research further. So yeah, have a go, have a try yourself and see if it can help you search parts on the internet.